Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for your incredible support so far. We have surpassed 60,000 on this campaign. I returned on 1 July after completing the RAID instructor development program, spending a lot of time diving on Alaval Shoal, and I'm now waiting for the next available date for my final instructor examination. The training took a little longer than planned, and that means I had to extend my stay, and obviously there were more overheads and expenses, and as a result I had to postpone repairs to the 4x4 because there was no money for that. I've updated the goal to 95,000 Rand now, and the remaining funds will go towards 4x4 repairs. That's panel beating, the windscreen replacement, brakes, lights, and some electrical things. I'm going to try and do most of the repairs myself, and I have some help also. And then the travel and food and accommodation for the examination in Port Alfred, I think it will be 2 days. So that's about 4,000 Rand, and then upgrading some dive equipment, just so that as an instructor that I also look professional, because a lot of my equipment is, I call it hand-me-downs from the war effort. But yeah, it's a mix and match, and I want to go wing and backplate, for those who know. Yeah, so that's going to be 10,000. I am able to get some equipment at cost and so on. So yeah, it's not such a big expense in the great scheme of things. And yeah, then all other costs, class fees, accommodation in KZN, flights, fuel, food, and household expenses, and also running, normal running costs of the business have been covered already. So I'm very close to qualifying. I already have 25 students lined up, and there's 4 more people that contacted me. Unfortunately, I can't help them. They wanted to do courses next week already. So unfortunately, I'm missing out on that business. Yeah, but getting very close to qualifying and being able to give classes. So I just want to thank everyone again for supporting our family business and helping us bring consistent training back to Jeffreys Bay. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys.